Hello, this is Mayor Nancolas, and I'm going to take my mask off for the rest of this, and then I'll put it back on. But I want to say hello to the citizens of Caldwell, that you are in my thoughts, you're in my prayers. On behalf of the City Council, we care about you. This is a beautiful community. We are so grateful to live in the city of Caldwell, and it's because of you, the citizens of Caldwell, that makes it so great. You know, Caldwell has come a long way over the past years, and we have a wonderful community with an active downtown. We have many businesses coming to Caldwell. Then, of course, coronavirus came along, and it's a new experience. It's something we didn't know how to deal with. None of us knew what a real pandemic was like, at least not in my lifetime. So we've been trying very hard every day to work with our health officials, with our city officials, with our staff, with city leaders, with our medical providers, to make sure that Caldwell continues to be that safe, wonderful, business-friendly, family-friendly community that we all have grown to love and appreciate so much. So I come to you today to just ask you a couple things. Number one, my ask to you is to be kind. This world needs more kindness. As we go through this very difficult time, we're going to find people that agree with us or don't agree with us, whether it's political, religious, whether it's about masks or not, whether it's about whether the coronavirus is even real or not in some people's minds. You know, that's what makes America great. We're all entitled to our own opinions. But I want to come back to you and encourage you today to respect those opinions, but also ask you to be considerate of those that are vulnerable, to be considerate of those who have health issues, to be considerate of those that do want to wear masks, to honor those businesses that are requiring masks, still support them. That's their choice as a private business owner, whether to require those or not. It's also your choice to wear one or not, and we respect that. But I just want to come to you today on behalf of this city and the City Council to encourage you to be respectful of others. If you're in a situation where you're around other people and you cannot socially distance, please wear a mask. It's easy. It's not hard to do. I know it's hot outside, but put it on for that time that you're not able to social distance. Put a mask on when you go in and shop at businesses. Be considerate of others. I was very pleased the other day. I spent about 30 minutes in front of Albertsons as my wife shopped, and I counted the number of people going in and out that had masks on and those didn't. I was very pleased to see that 58 out of 80 people that went in and out of Albertsons had masks on. And those that didn't were considerate of those that did, and vice versa. That's what makes America so great, is we do have choice. But my request to you today is to be considerate of others. Be considerate of the elderly. Be considerate of the vulnerable. Be considerate of large groups. Wear your mask. I would encourage you to wear a mask. I'm going to. I commit to you that I'm going to in places where I am around others if I can't social distance. Follow the CDC guidelines. Wash your hands often. Use hand sanitizer. Wash down areas where there's a lot of contact. Those things will help as well. I am concerned about our health providers and the stress that this virus is putting on them and their employees. In talking to West Valley Medical Center the other day, they are starting to get more COVID-19 patients, and it's straining their services. There are a lot of their employees that are out because of either positive testing or because they've come in contact with those who have tested positive. The city, as you know, we have closed our city buildings again because our employees, we have nearly 40 who have either tested positive or have been in contact with those. And so we're doing that to protect them, but also to protect the public. So my wish today for you is for health, safety, for patience, for kindness, for love for your fellow man. That's what we need to get through this. And together as a community, I believe we can. So, and if you feel like it, I think we need lots of prayer. This is a time for prayer. This is a time for honoring our families, keeping our families safe, respecting others' families. And if we will do those things and pull together, I'm sure that as a community, we can get through this. God bless you. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.